In today's video, I'll discuss on making your own guild tag in Discord. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to go here into this guild's FAQ here in support.discord.com, or you could basically just search it up in Google, guild Discord, click on the first link. Once you're here, is that a very important note it's in here is that guilds was an only experimental feature available to a limited number of users. So this is very, very rare. And as of today, they have closed the experimental process or phase, and this feature is no longer available. So no matter what you do, you don't have the guilds feature anymore. But if in the past you have a server that is a guild, then the experience may still be available, and in that way you'd still be able to get a guild badge. So that's the only way for you to do this if you already have a guild. So if you don't have one, then unfortunately there's no other way, unless guilds will now be available again on Discord. And also, when you scroll down, you should now be able to see the details in here about the guild badge, which is right here. So your guild tag can be a max of 4 characters, which is right here. 4 characters plus an icon in here. And they are not unique, so multiple guilds, or actually a lot of guilds, will have the same badge or tag in here as you do, because you can only pick from this preset of guild badge right here that is provided by Discord. So you can only choose among it right here. So this is only achievable if you have the guild already, because all you have to do is go into the settings of your guild, or when you are setting up your guild, you should have this option wherein you can create a badge and tag for your guild. And basically, if you're wondering what the invitation would look like, so you want to look for this one right here on your Discord server. You should have this on the top left of your screen. As you can see, your guild's invite is ready. If you have that, click on check it out. And then from there, you can now undergo the process of creating your guild. And then you should be able to come across this process wherein you can create a badge and tag for your guild. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.